My name is Bob Smith. I'm a local tour operator on the island of Exuma. I was the captain at a resort called Grand Isle a few years ago, and I made some good guests, and they encouraged me, said, Bob, you're good, you're natural, you're good with guests. Why don't you go into your own business? And so I consider it. Very little money to start off with, I consider it, and I decided to go into the tour business. We travel about 110 miles round trip. We do Starfish Flat, Carmen Cave, Thunderball Grotto. James Bond had a movie in 1964 called The Thunderball, and that's what makes the cave so famous. Compass Key, where we snorkel with the sharks. We stop at the Pig also. The Pig is one of the major attractions in the Bahamas. In Exuma is the first place in the world you have swimming pigs. Currently working for me now is relatives. CJ, he's a very cool guy. His personality with the guests is awesome. He's number one when it comes to guest reviews. He born with it. He's a natural.
My name is Sealy Smith, but everyone locally knows me as Captain CJ. We were trained at an early age to run boats and to dive conch and to become captains.
This business is just started out. I mean, it's growing really big, and the industry is growing. And I think we're doing a really good job because we have a lot of repeat customers. And every time they return, they bring other people with them. So that speaks volume. It's something we're doing.
We usually go above and beyond for our guests, and we do the little things that no one else does.
Try to do something different, try to stand out from our competition. I think we're on the right track.
They come for the pigs, but they end up returning for the staff.
I am Bob Smith, and I am Coastline Adventures.